Meaning of Doc Holliday.
Doc Holliday.
Doc Holliday.
Doc Holliday.
Doc Holliday. Doc Holliday was a famous figure in the American Old West, known for his skills as a gambler, gunfighter, and dentist. His real name was John Henry Holliday, and he was born in 1851. He became involved in the outlaw lifestyle after being diagnosed with tuberculosis, which led him to move out west for the drier climate. Doc Holliday was a close friend of the legendary Longman and was involved in the famous gunfight at the OK Corral in Tombstone, Arizona. He died at the age of 36 in 1887.